Cracked leather seats aren't a leather problem. They're a neglect problem. I tested 7 leather cleaners and conditioners from Amazon on real car seats to find out which ones actually restore and protect. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Lexol Advanced Naturals Leather Care Kit. This complete 5-piece kit includes cleaner, conditioner, cotton cloths, and a natural bristle brush. The cleaner features over 95% naturally derived aloe vera that gently removes dirt and grime. The conditioner contains over 90% naturally derived ingredients that penetrate leather pores. Together, they provide deep conditioning that protects against cracking and premature aging. Included tools may feel less durable than purchasing professional application brushes separately. Still, for first-time buyers wanting a complete care system with everything needed, this kit simplifies the process. For car owners seeking an all-in-one leather care solution with application tools, the Lexol Advanced Naturals Kit is a complete choice. At number 2, we have the Lexol Leather Conditioner and Cleaner Kit. This 2-step system has earned trust through thousands of reviews. Each bottle contains 16 ounces, with included application sponges for easy treatment. The cleaner gently loosens and lifts embedded dirt from leather pores. The conditioner penetrates deeply, protecting against cracking and weather damage. Lexol has been trusted since 1933, establishing a legacy in leather care. The 2-step process requires more time than single-step solutions. However, for users prioritizing proven heritage and deep conditioning for premium leather, this kit delivers results. For car owners trusting established leather care brands, the Lexol 2-step kit is a proven choice. At number 3, we have the Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This 2-pack format offers substantial value, with ultraviolet protection built in. The formula prevents cracking and fading caused by sunlight exposure. Thousands of customer reviews demonstrate consistent performance. The combination formula cleans and conditions in a single application step. Some lighter leather colors may experience slight residue if over-applied. Still, for owners wanting UV protection and maximum quantity with proven reviews, Weiman provides strong value. For car owners seeking UV protection in a convenient 2-pack, the Weiman Leather Cleaner is a value-focused choice. At number 4, we have the Bickmore Bick 4 Leather Conditioner. This cleaner and conditioner has accumulated thousands of reviews, indicating sustained market success. The formula restores, polishes, and protects all smooth finish leathers in one step. The 8-ounce bottle is compact and convenient to store in your vehicle. Bickmore specializes exclusively in leather care, bringing deep expertise to formulation. The Conditioner Heavy formula prioritizes preservation over heavy-duty stain removal. However, for owners valuing established reputation and convenient single-step care, Bick 4 remains a proven workhorse. For car owners wanting proven leather conditioning with extensive customer validation, the Bickmore Bick 4 is a trusted choice. At number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Colorless and Odorless Leather Cleaner. This pH-balanced formula safely cleans natural, synthetic, faux, and pleather materials. The colorless and odorless design preserves original leather appearance without dyes or scents. Thousands of reviews validate consistent performance across leather types. The cleaner lifts away dirt, oils, and embedded grime without damaging delicate finishes. The formula does not condition, requiring a separate conditioner for complete leather care. Still, for owners seeking a dedicated cleaner safe for all leather types without risk of discoloration, Chemical Guys excels. For car owners wanting reliable cleansing across all leather varieties, the Chemical Guys Colorless Leather Cleaner is a safe choice. At number 6, we have the Tanner's Preserve Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Duo Pack. This 2-pack combines cleaning and conditioning in a rejuvenation-focused system. Each bottle contains 8 fluid ounces of specialized formula. The product cleans, rejuvenates, and restores finished leather surfaces. Tanner's Preserve emphasizes leather restoration expertise in the restoration category. Newer market presence means fewer reviews compared to legacy brands. However, for owners seeking rejuvenation-focused care with restoration benefits, Tanner's Preserve delivers specialized attention. For car owners wanting focused leather restoration, the Tanner's Preserve Duo Pack is a restoration-focused choice. The last one on our list is the Mother's VLR Vinyl Leather Rubber Care. This 1-step solution cleans, conditions, and protects in a single application. The pH-balanced formula contains neat's foot oil and lanolin for deep conditioning. Protection against drying, fading, and cracking happens without multiple products. The 24-ounce bottle provides substantial quantity for months of use. The multi-material formula sacrifices leather-specific optimization for versatility. Still, for owners maintaining multiple surface types in their vehicles, this unified approach saves time. For car owners wanting one product for leather, vinyl, and rubber care, the Mother's VLR is a practical choice. So that is it for the best leather cleaners and conditioners for car seats available today. Select the product matching your leather type and maintenance goals.